it's in. Y'all see I got the cut, so you know I had to pull the hair back. Look, it's in. I told y'all it was coming. You feel me? 3 bitters, man. Yah'ki Awaken 3 bitters, man. Ooh, I can't show the bag. They got my address on it. Triple. Yeah. But I'm finna get y'all right. I can show. Let me see if I can show y'all the back. Y'all know the package here. See what I'm saying? Yeah. It's here. So I'm gonna set y'all up. I said set y'all up. I'm gonna set the camera up, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the unboxing. Let's get it. Yoga, man. Get to the side real quick. I am gonna do yoga in a minute. But yeah. So you know what's going on. It's gonna be straight to the point. Boom. So look. Gotta have them on. Look. Get that out the way. Alright, so bitter 1. No. What the? Oh yeah. That's bitter 1. Bitter 2. And bitter 3. Yep. That's that. Now, it comes with I gotta get my face focusing on me. Stop focusing on me. Have you seen that? Take a screenshot of that. I think you pour like 8 ounces. No, hold on. 1 cup of bitters and 16 ounces of spring water. So yeah. You gotta drink that. So what happens is, and you gotta take it all in that one sitting. You can't do it later. You gotta do it all in. You gotta drink all 3 bitters at once. Well, not at once, but you know, back to back to back. Just keep throwing it up. You throw back. Yeah, my line do a lot of weird things, and plus, you see my hair is pulled back, so it's gonna look like that. But who cares? The haircut raw. But look, like I was saying. So with these, I'm gonna go ahead and take this thing off of it. I'm gonna take this thing off of it. I don't got no scissors, bro. Give me 1 second. There ain't no scissors in here? Hold on. I think I got some. Let's see. Let's see, baby. Now, I ain't gonna lie. I do need to get me a thumbnail though, so hold on. That's bitter 3. So here we go. Like I'm, you know what I'm saying? I'm happy as hell, bro. Y'all don't know how long I've been waiting on this shit. Look at that. Boom! It's off. That easy. Thank you. You can go back now. Wait, wrong way. I'll put you up in a minute. But yeah, so these are them individually now. I had to cut the piece of, like the card that came with it. But I'm gonna read the card for y'all real quick. So basically it says loose tea bitter. I can read it. It says loose tea bitter. It says all herbs are organic alkaline, but wait, let's say botanicals and are naturally wildcrafted from the land of their origin. And if you don't know what that means, like it says naturally wildcrafted from land of their origin. If you don't know what that means, that's basically wherever he didn't. All right, so basically the way Yah'ki do it, I don't know exactly how he get it. I think he either grow it himself or he knows somebody, but he knows that these herbs that we have right here, that we get, are not sprayed with any type of herbicides, pesticides, insecticides at all. It ain't sprayed with nothing, and he knows what if the soil is nutrient dense, it has nutrients in it and minerals in the soil, all that. I just brushed my teeth. I got some right there. But look, he knows if, basically if he knows if there's nutrients in the soil when these were growing and all that. So yeah, that's basically what that means. And it says, I said this already, shake well, keep refrigerated. And basically it's 7 ounces per bag, serving size 1 cup. And yeah. And you can get this from, let me see, is it gonna focus? There we go. Or I might be able to do it like this. Y'all see that? www.yah'kiawaken.com. It basically want to zoom in. It want to zoom into things that's not what I'm trying to zoom into. I guess since I'm in cinematic mode, it's zooming into my face. But yeah, let's break down the bitters real quick, because I'm gonna make something today. I gotta go get me some spring water. I'm gonna start today straight up. I already, you feel me? So bitter 1, right? Bitter 1. Basically, this is what bitter 1 does. It cleanses the lymphatic system and skin, right? Yeah, the lymphatic system and skin. The ingredients to the, the ingredients to the bitter 1 is quassia, I'm thinking, quassia, sea moss, valerian, I think. Yeah, valerian, probably saying it wrong. Or, yeah, valerian, I don't know, you correct me, whatever. Chlorophyll and contrebo. It's a lot of shit I don't know how to pronounce on this shit, but I see sea moss and I see chlorophyll. I know them too. But yeah, and basically the instructions right here, it says, you probably can't see it. I'm gonna just read it as I go. You can't see it. You can zoom in maybe if you want to. But it says store in refrigerator. Take 1 cup of bitters, add 16 ounces of spring water. Each bitter must be prepared separately, right? So when you're making these, have 3 pots. 3 pots aside for all 3 of them. Like all 3, this one and this one. Make sure they're in 3 separate pots, not the same pot. Don't reuse it. You know, depending on how you make it. I would say make them all at the same time, because you got to drink them all anyway. I would say make them all at the same time. So if you got 3 pots to spare, or 3, you know what I'm saying, teapots or whatever, make them all together. Then, you know what I'm saying, drink. All right, so it says, boom, boom, boom. Bring to a boil and simmer on lowest setting for 25 minutes. So, yeah. So you're gonna bring the water to a boil, complete boil, and then let it simmer on the lowest setting for 25 minutes. Then you're gonna strain it, and let cool. And then you're gonna drink all 3 bitters, 8 ounce glasses, right? So you're not gonna be drinking 16. So you will have some left over. That's my fault. So you will have some left over. So actually, the rest you have left over is going to be for the next morning. So yeah. So I say just stay consistent with this, because like I said, with me, I'm gonna keep reading these, right? But with me, the way this gonna go with the bitters, I'm not gonna record every single day, because the way it is, I be having a lot of stuff going on. So I'm gonna just give y'all a 30-day update, and it's probably maybe sooner than 30 days, but I'm gonna just give y'all an update at the end of the month. And trust me, I promise you, I will not slip up. This month, this year, so far I haven't ate no meat or no seafood or anything. And I've been pretty good with eating, fruits and vegetables. But it's like, you know, sometimes I have an urge to go get probably pizza sometimes, just cheese, and probably add mushrooms on it sometimes. And I don't do it all the time, but it's like I'm falling back from that. But ever since I got this, I can't fold, bro. I can't. So yeah. So back to what I was saying. Drink all 3 8 ounces. Drink all 3 8 ounce glasses of bitters back to back, right? After an evening meal. So you can do it in the evening too. You can do it in the evening. And you could do it in the morning. It says in the evening meal because he probably said it based off of people's work schedule. They probably be getting off. Some people get off. They work mornings. It just depends. Whatever you work, whenever time you work, I say take it in the morning, or if you can take it at night after. It says after an evening meal, that's cool. But I would say try your best to try to take this early in the morning, or in the rising, because you're gonna be going to the bathroom, as they say. So you want to be able to go ahead, and you don't want to wake up out your sleep and mess up your sleep schedule and mess up your sleep just because you gotta go to the bathroom. And it says herbs can be used up to 3 times. Keep herbs refrigerated in glass jar, mason jar, glass jar, whatever, and dispose after 3rd use. Yep. And that's bitter 1, right? Cleanses the lymphatic system and skin. All right, we're going to the second one, right? So this one, bitter 2, right? Bitter 2 cleanses blood and organs. Cleanses blood and organs, right? Cleanses the blood and organs, right? That's bitter 2. It's the same instructions. The ingredients in this is, oh my gosh, bro. I'm gonna say sarsaparilla. Yeah, sarsaparilla, I guess. I don't know. Elderberry. I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on. Elderberry, stinging nettle, chlorophyll. What is that? No. Oh, chaparral. I said chlorophyll. So is that chlorophyll in the first one? Nope. I don't know why I thought it's chlorophyll in this. All right, so I said the wrong thing. Forget that. Chaparral. Yeah. Chaparral or chaparral. It's either one, right? And burdock root. So this got burdock root in it. So yeah, bitter 2 got burdock root in it. Boom. So that's that. So yeah, that's bitter 2. Cleanses the blood and organs, right? Cleanses the blood and organs. Bitter 3 cleanses the nervous system and colon, right? Cleanses the nervous system and colon, right? Boom. That's bitter 3. So, and the ingredients for bitter 3 is blessed thistle, I think that says Cascara sagranda, Cascara sagranda or sagrande, either one. I don't know how they do it. And the last ingredient says Prodigosa. I don't know, bro. Fuck, man. Why this shit gotta be so long, bro? Why these words gotta be not long, but I ain't never heard of them before. Hard to pronounce. You can kind of see it. Yeah, there you go. That's the 3rd bitter. Cleanses the nervous system and colon. So yeah, so with all of these, oh yeah, there's some more stuff on the back. I'm not gonna read all that though, but y'all can. You can pause the video. I'm gonna try to. This what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna flip the camera, get the back camera real quick. Hold on. All right, so this is the back of it, right? I just had to put this in there. Y'all can read this yourself. Y'all can basically, how can I stop trying to get it out that light real quick? But yeah, so if you want to pause it, this is what it says. Hold on. There we go. If you want to pause it, that's the 3rd bitter. That's what it says for the 3rd bitter. You can pause that and read that. That's the powerful herbal compound for the 3rd bitter. We just gonna go backwards. It's the 2nd. Wait, sure. It's the 2nd bitter. You can read that. Okay. Yeah. I'm sorry if you can't read it, but all this is on his website too. You see it? Yah'ki.com. So yeah, you go look at that. So all this on his website. If you want to read it, you can't see it from the video. And this is the first bidder. This is, you can pause that too. Boom. Yeah, that's gonna conclude this video. I'm about to go ahead and go get my natural spring water real quick. Well water, natural spring water, whatever you wanna, you know what I'm saying? Well, first I'm gonna do yoga, and then I'm gonna go get that stuff. I'm gonna do yoga, then I'm gonna do push-ups, yoga, and then I'm gonna go get it. And then I'm gonna have this video edited up later. I got another video behind it, or probably this one might be behind that video. It just depends. Another video, that's gonna be another video for y'all, you see what I'm saying? And like, I wanna say this though, like, yeah, I'm finna get these bitters in. I'm taking them now. Like, I'm finna go get that water for it, cause I gotta go get some more water for, I gotta go get some more water for some things. What's it called? I gotta make some, oh yeah, some grape juice later. Cause am I gonna do the grape juice? Yeah, I'm gonna do grape juice later, cause the way I do it, I blend up grapes and lemon together, and I put some water in it. Lemons, grapes, and then either well water or natural spring water, and I put that in there and make a strong juice with it. You feel me? So yeah, that junk be tasting good, and I just drank that, and I be good and energized to go do what I gotta do. Seeded grapes though, you can do seedless. I do seeded. I actually at my store, I ain't gonna lie, I had found some seeded grapes. I don't know how. I never seen them in a while, but I had in my farmer's market near me, I had some seeded grapes in there. It's called, you know what I'm saying? Hey, it's blow my mind. Yeah, so you know what's going on. You know what's going on. And yeah, that's gonna conclude this video, man. You know, I got a sense of humor with it. So not everybody that y'all see do these unboxings for the bitters, for his, you know, for his bitters or any type of herbal compound or whatever. Like, you never gonna really see a lot of humor with it. People just gonna be straight to the point. But I'm a funny guy. That's how I really be acting. I be smiling for real, you know what I'm saying? Making different faces, opening my eyes real wide, all type of shit. You feel me? I just do what I want to do. See what I'm saying? But yeah, so this gonna conclude this video. See what I'm saying? Like, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell. Share this video, and I want to say shout out to Yah'ki Awakening. You know what I'm saying? Look, I got them bitters now, man. You don't know the process. Like, if I broke it down, if I real life made a story time on how many times I had the opportunity to get the bitters, and I kept spending my money on bullshit. I'm talking about video games. I'm talking about unnecessary ass food. I'm talking about buying DLC for games. I'm talking about like just buying everything but that. Man, I had got on my shit. It was over with. I ain't going for it. You know what I'm saying? Obviously the goal is to grow it yourself, but shit, I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. The way I'm coming, I trust Yah'ki, bro. I ain't even met him day in my life, but just based off his videos, based off how he coming, based off of how he push shit together, bro, this gonna work. I ain't gonna say it gotta work, it's gonna work. Feel me? We in there. See what I'm saying? So look, it's your boy Dolo World / Nature Dolo / 3 Bitters Dolo / Watermelon Dolo / Alkaline Dolo / I'm talking about, what else? Fruitarian Dolo. And I'm out. Peace.